Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can increase your productivity and which tool is the best option for you to increase your productivity. And the answer to this question is Notion. According to my research, I found that Notion is a very productive tool which you can use to achieve your productivity. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. Here you can see my Notion setup. First, obviously you have to create an account on Notion. And once you have created it, now I am going to show you full step-by-step procedure about how you can set up Notion templates and Notion pages and your tasks, etc. All right, first you have to go to templates and then you can see there are many templates available. These templates are totally free. You can use them. If you are a student, then you can use this simple notebook template and reading list template as well. And if you are a business owner or something else and you want your task list, then you can install these templates. So I will install this weekly agenda template. Once you will click on it, now you can see it, your weekly agenda: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and weekdays as well. Then click on use this template. Now you can see it here, the template has been added. Now you can add tasks to this template by just clicking the plus icon. You can add text, you can add page, to-do list, and heading, etc. I am going to add heading and I'm just going to write create a video. This template is amazing, but I have already created one another template for you for myself, which I use on my weekly basis. You can see it here in my task sections. So here is my weekly routine: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well. And here I'm going to show you how you can create this type of template. First, you have to add a heading and then you can name it Monday or Tuesday or whatever. And then you will see this type of new button. Click on it and you can write what are you going to do. For example, I am going to edit this video on Monday. Now click on it. Now the amazing thing about Notion is you can set priority, due date, attachments, project, documents, and other things as well. Alright, I am going to add a priority, high priority to this, and then I am also going to set a due date. Once it's added, now you can add any attachment. For example, I am going to edit this video, so I can also attach which video I am going to edit, and then we can add project, property, and property one as well. And then we can add our page to this section as well. For example, this task page, we can link this task page as well. Now you can write the description of the tasks here and that your to-do list as well. Once it's done, you can click on OK. That's it. Here, this is the board view, and there are many other views as well: Kanban views, all tasks views, calendar views as well. So for example, here I have added the tasks and their priorities and the due dates as well. Now I am going to click on all tasks. Now you can see the all tasks here, what is the status of the task, who it has been assigned to, and due date and priority to these tasks as well. And now you can also add tasks by clicking here as well. And here I am going to add another task, for example, book reading. And now I can add the status, it's Saturday. And now I can assign this task to any team member. If you have a team member, then you can assign this task to them, and then you can set due date, and you can also include time as well, as you can see. And then you can set the priority to medium or low, and you can also create a project, link this task to that project as well. And now you can also check out the calendar view, and here is the calendar view. You can see the tasks that are due on this date, and then there is also another view which is called gallery view. Here you can see these views, and you can also add another view, board view or timeline view, list view as well. Now if you want to add another workspace to your project, then you can click on this plus icon and then you can name it, for example, daily tasks, and then you can add a template to this page. You can also add a icon, for example, I can add this emoji, and I can also add a cover photo to this page, and you can see I can also change the cover to this as well. Once you have added it, now you can do many things. For example, you can drag and drop this page inside this page. As you can see, now you can open it and you can see your meetings in your daily tasks, and you can also move this quick note to this daily task as well. And now you can also add a heading or your to-do list. Now I can add a table view here as well. You can see there are many options available. You can mention a person, mention page, add emojis, your board view or gallery view or table view. So I'm going to select this table view, and now you can select a data source. For example, I want my tasks to show up in the daily tasks, so I can see which tasks are due today. Now you can see this in the all tasks section, and now you can find out which task is today, and you can also change the view as well. All right. And now if you are going to write a text, you can add it. So for example, I have just added a text here. Now I can turn this text into a heading, and I can also turn this text to to-do list or bullet list or number list as well. And you can also make this a quote. For example, this is a quote. I am going to select this one, and I can also turn it into a page. You can select any page and then you can turn this into page. For example, this one. Now the text has been moved to this weekly agenda section. You can see the text is there. I am going to move it back, and you can also choose a color, text color or background color as well. For example, I am going to choose this orange background color and the text color to purple. So this is a very amazing tool for increasing your productivity, to manage your daily tasks, your daily routines, and you can easily check out which tasks are due today and how I can manage my days. Okay, and you can also add your documents to this Notion. You can click on new, then you can turn this into a page or just add anything you want. For example, you can add text here, and then you can review your documents here. And here is our dashboard. We can add our daily tasks here on this dashboard. We can also add our documents to this, and now we can easily access everything from our dashboard. If you want to add a picture, project picture or database, inline picture or full page, then you can add that as well. You can also add web bookmarks, videos, audios, code, images, and files, etc. You can also embed these other softwares with Notion like Figma, To-Do List, and Trello as well. For example, I just want to add this database full page view, and you can see it has been added to this page. Now you can name this, for example, database management, and then you can name your projects. You can also add tags and also add descriptions to this tasks as well. So alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.